Dublai vibaro mentangi don hang ni ha ISBT Tura ha kebangi yat bani klan batki athletes ki belawan nak kylleng ke district jong jela Meghalaya bani bynta ha ke Meghalaya Games 2024.
Kylleng jong hate ngila privilege buat amaba kini kedi ke first time jong ka amsun bakang rong ha kini ka MSA dingi sukmen sikadai ya bangila rong ha kini ka Olympic ta then ni nak ka is kasil tengila kede long bangi tang ni nak is kasil bandra gol bi baru ki atlet dengan kerman skando bakin bandra shibang ki medal sanda ka is kasil but wish to all the best ki para ki district bakin dia kajing su chung hateng atau kemen sikat dai pa lingba kajing itu jong ka MSA ka sarkar ka itu ini de kala ju persang ini ban ken no ban penkiu ya ka amse namar ba nyempat jurung ka Olympic de kaso kemen ka ni benta namar ba ka rung ka MSA de ka sarkar ka la ya rap ini itu ini de kemen sikat dai ya nam ta ji ki atlet rong yo siam ta bangin de le ka shabar khamtam ka international ka ba ban kendo bat ki ki country long Sukumen bakas sarkar kamtin
sa laban batay ni kuno pisno ya ga sarkar bakalabu ya kani ka arm wrestling kala itu mentah ka Meghalaya Games.
Ya tolong ka ai mesti mengi player kan bangin yo pan participate di hair di game te kum ngabai la ka kani arm wrestling yo pan participate te ngas long ai play ka sarkar ka ai kani kalat kum yang ni mo begini yo ialehkai.
Tapi kumno fiaso barok ka excitement ni kumno ka level of preparation nam tanga jini.
So kemensia mengkuasai negara Senang Tura and you represent the Athletic Mid 2024 as a kemensia.
So kumno ka
Tolok baru jadi ini lah. Asa kemensia gede bangun video karena sampai sini lagi tradisional dan kado video lagi sini asa kemensia menunjuk benda design.
Kita ni ialehkai na po West Jahis District Thei ialehkai ka cycling kita niwan haning kita traditional background membang yo ya kana no banya cimenta hakum ka risan mama kani kede ka apa Meghalaya kede ba ka he ba po Meghalaya tengis new kemensia kede ya ba don ba organize kum kane kena mang yo pan peni ya katalan kum bang ila shoe cycling to ya
There's another milestone in the games now. The 5th Meghalaya Games is historic and is memorable. Why? It's for the first time that we are moving from Shillong. The first, second, third, fourth games was held in Shillong, city capital. This time it is moving to the district, and we're very grateful to the government for having decided to move by rotation to various districts. And it's moving to the districts. It's the first time that we have no less the highest office of the country, Madam, President, who will be inaugurating President of India, right? The highest office in the country will be inaugurating the 5th Meghalaya Games. That's a really historic thing. I think it's the first time in the whole country there's not been any games that I call a state game, which will be inaugurated by the. So I'm grateful to Honorable Chief Minister for having, taken the initiative, the Sports Minister and the government and its cabinet for inviting the Honorable President, and we're extremely grateful to Honorable President, Madam President, for having accepted to come, here, and then we know that she'll also be going to Shillong.